Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Intel i211 Gigabit network connection not working. First, search up CMD and open it as administrator. Next thing, you have to type in ipconfig space dash flash DNS and hit enter. As you can see here, successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Next, type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Now after this, you have to restart your PC. If that didn't work, try the second method. Simply search in network reset and click this. Next, simply reset it. After resetting, restart your PC and that's it.